We are off to Mersea Island for the weekend, taking the T4, towing the Caravan. We got the Caravan hooked up to the T4. Luckily not lowered the T4 yet. I will be lowering the Caravan, by the way. So yeah, we're all hooked up. We're going to head down to Mersea Island. We decided that we wanted to go somewhere. It was spur of the moment, really. We were like, where can we go? It's got a campsite that's pretty cheap. We could just go away for the weekend. So we looked it up. There's a place called Mersea Island. Mersea Island? I don't know. Anyway, go down there. I think it was like 86 quid to camp for 2 nights. So Friday and Saturday. Come home on the Sunday. They have got a tide that you've got to wait for it to go down to get onto the island. But apparently that's not until the evening. So we're going to head out and we'll show you guys what Mersea Island is like. It's a pretty cheap campsite, and by the looks of the pictures and what we've seen online, it's lovely. It's a really nice place. They've got pubs, they've got restaurants, all that. They've got all them coloured huts all down the beach. The sand looks really nice. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to head out in these down to Mersea Island. Let's get into it. When we get to the bridge, hopefully the tide's out. Should be meant to be an evening thing. Right, we're carrying on. Feels like we're on a boat in here. It's very bouncy. Can't wait to get that suspension. Yeah. Oh god, a bit bouncy in here. You know, it's like towing a Caravan, especially at 1.9 T4, going up a hill. You end up doing 10 miles an hour. Well, I think every single road here has been a hill. We have literally just been climbing a hill for 2 hours and not getting anywhere. But we're almost there. Just look at the sat nav now. Yeah, we're 9.5 miles away. So we'll let you know when we get to the bridge.
A few moments later.
This is it. Sea must be over there and there. This is it.
Oh, you can smell it.
There's the sea. Right, we're on the island now. That was the least dramatic bridge cross I didn't even realise it was a bridge until I looked to the side. So we're on the island now. We are now 1 mile away from the holiday park. So it doesn't even feel like we're near the sea. It doesn't even feel like we're on an island, whatever that's meant to feel like. But yeah. Okay, now switch to a phone with a decent camera on it. We are at the sea finally. We've just got here. Look at all the coloured huts behind me. We're going to find our pitch. Look at these colourful huts all the way along here. This is just the entrance. Look at all this. Yeah. The sea's just over there. Yeah, boy. Look at me in my looking like Onslow from Mrs. Bouquet. Just realised something. I think we must be in a foreign country on this island because they seem to drive on the opposite side of the road here. Check this out. Look. In, out. That's the opposite side of the road. Very well. You properly lucked out, right? Like we're here, right? We're here. We're going to drive up here. Our pitch is there, so we've got to drive up here. We are on the seafront.
And by the clubhouse.
And by the clubhouse where all the alcohol is.
And toilets and showers.
That's miles away. I've just been.
It's not. It's like a 5-minute walk.
We are on the seafront. Okay, here it is. This is what you get. This is what you get for your money. You've got this massive, look, you get a huge pitch for yourself. Our Caravan is tiny on it, but you get this massive pitch all to yourself. Electric hookup and all that. We haven't got an extension long enough for our electric hookup, so we won't be using that. Good job I haven't charged the Ledger battery because my cable only goes from about there to here. So yeah, that's not going to happen, is it? But this is what we get. It's a nice pitch right here. Happy days. Well, good old T4 never let me down once. Loved every minute of that drive. It was brilliant. So we're just going to get something to eat and chill out from the drive. Look at this. Happy days. Bit windy, but look at these huts all the way along the seafront. There we are, look at this. It's like a cove. There, but it's like a really bluey colour. I don't know what's picking up on it. It's really green out there and shit brown here. It's lovely. There we go. This place is a little hidden gem. This is a little hidden gem. Mersea Island, people. Mersea Island. Very windy, but look at it. Look at that. Oh yeah, shells. Great, shells. I'm not pulling the face, what do you? Yeah, it was. Wow, right. Let's go get some food shopping, come back and we can get on the alcohol.
2 hours later.
I thought we'd take a little bit of a walk to find the showers and the toilets. I'm just going to use the bucket. The walk was too much to have a piss, especially when you've had a drink, but down here and all that. It's not bad. It smells a bit. I could probably smell the toilets though. It does stink a bit. But anyway, this is where they are. So I'm only coming up here if I need a poo or a shower. Anything else, I'm pissing in a bucket in a caravan. There's a hell of a lot of holiday homes here. It's just holiday home heaven. It's just holiday home heaven. It stinks of arse though. Does yours stink of arse as well?
What?
The toilets.
No.
Was it worth?
When you come out,
Was it worth the half-an-hour walk?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm only coming up here if I'm desperate for a poo or need a shower. I ain't doing that walk again.
Oh, it's in the shower though, did you?
Yeah, the shower's another room further down.
Oh, okay.
Right. Yeah, look. Oh, look, this is I'm for sale. That's for sale. I don't want it though. It hasn't got a deck in. Everyone else seems to have deck in. These people must live here. Look, Melrose Place.
Holiday homes, isn't it? People. Mind out, you can get one
I'm
over.
gonna get one over. Yeah, holiday homes and all. Anyway, let's carry on drinking. Okay, review on the food from the Sunbeam that's on the camp, right? Ordered food. Katherine ordered a pizza.
It's nice actually.
Lovely. That looks lovely. Yeah, I ordered the ultimate. Remember this, the ultimate burger and chips. So this is going to be massive and just amazing. Yeah. The hell is that?
It's your starter, baby.
Look at my thumb in comparison to the burger.
Why don't you just eat it?
The hell? This is a starter.
1 hour later.
Look at that. Chilled evening with the sun going down. Oh yes. I've got some weird shit going on here. Look at we got two suns going on here. What's that all about? What is that all about?
The next day.
There we go, good morning, it's the next day. Peed down all night. I'm just making some yeah. In typical British fashion, we've had a heat wave for weeks and weeks and weeks now, and then as soon as we go camping it pisses down. So yeah, just get on with it, don't you?
A few moments later.
We've had a wander, decided to have a wander around town, see what it's about, see what's going on for about 5 minutes. And from what we can gather is the charity shops are really expensive. They seem to have clinics for everything, every ailment imaginable. A bicycle shop. There's about 3 charity shops that are expensive. And what we have learnt is, if you live near the seaside, especially in Mersea, from what I can gather, if you've got a boat and you don't want it anymore, You can literally dump it anywhere you like, at the side of the road, on a corner. If you've got an old boat, you can dump it anywhere, as long as you put something in it decorative, because they're everywhere. People's front gardens, just randomly put anywhere. There we go, look, case in point. Just a generic row of houses, council looking houses. Oh look, there's a boat, just dumped. But they've put flowers in it, so it's okay. And someone's front garden over there had one. You've got some charity shop and Boots the chemist, and you've got a foot clinic behind us and a vet, and there's, yeah, if you've got issues with you or your pets, you're sorted in Mersea. Anything else? Yeah, it's fuck all here. Best thing I've seen here so far. It's closed down, obviously. Yabba dabba do.
2 hours later.
It's a Saturday. We've just been around the charity shops like you've just seen. There's not much going on really. But the sun seems to have showed its face after some rain. The tide is out. Water is well over there. And be a bit serious for a minute here. There is an ulterior motive to this weekend. Katherine is currently over there taking her mum's ashes to the ocean. Letting her go, because that's what she always wanted, was to be in the sea and on the beach. So Katherine is currently, she's over there, she's taking her walk. Not going to film that because that's a private personal thing, but yeah, that is the other alternative motive about being in this place. Just having a thought for Katherine's mum right now on the beach. But we're also drinking still, so it's all good. I've decided to sit here, the tide is coming in. Decided to sit here until that tide reaches me. And then we're underwater, because that's as far as it goes back there. We're right out here, so let's see how long it takes.
Here he comes. Daniel Craig coming out of the ocean. Bronzed Adonis. Check him out. Woo-woo.
Your feet just sink into the sand, and then you can't get your feet out the sand.
You obviously didn't hear any of that.
Okay, I misjudged it a bit. We've been here like an hour now since that last, well, not me coming out of the ocean, but we've been here since an hour since, and it's still not got to us yet. It's taken a...
Far?
It's not far, but it's taken ages. Oh look, there's a bloke out there doing some blokey stuff. Okay, we're getting closer. There's my feet. There's water. It's taking this bloody time. I swear this sea is purposely avoiding us. Look, it's in here, and over there it's got around us, but where we are, it seems to be avoiding us. Bloody thing. Oh, it's almost here. It's almost at my feet. Hey! Finally.
A few moments later.
Katherine's just dropped her phone in the sea. Now the cans are floating away. Okay, this wasn't a good idea. This wasn't a good idea. Why's my arse wet? Cans are floating away.
I literally have just put my phone.
I need to pee really bad. Why did we do this whilst drinking? Yeah, why was this a good idea? The cans are floating away. Hold that. Get that one. I waited hours for that, and I'm not enjoying it now.
A few moments later.
We drank a little bit too much on the beach, so we decided to come into the bar and have proper stuff. Why is she looking at me like that? Well, we have a dilemma.
Well, we thought it was going to rain all day.
It is now. What time is it? What time is it? Let's see what the time is.
5:05. My phone's drying.
It's what?
5:30.
It's 5:30. There's a tribute bloke on in this place we're in at 8 o'clock called Throbbing Williams.
No, it's Robin Williams.
Robin Williams. I'm calling him Throbbing Willy Bums. It's 5:30. We're already drunk, and we've got to make it. You just told me you were, you Bennett.
I'm drying my phone.
We've got to make it to 8 o'clock. It's now 5:30. I can't be asked to do quick maths.
I dropped my phone in the sea.
She dropped her phone in the sea. And yeah, we got to make it another. How many hours is that? 3.5
hours before he's on.
3.5 hours until he's on. I don't know if we're going to make it.
Yes, we will.
We're going to be passed out.
We'll go and get
in our own
changed,
vomit.
have a shower, we'll be fine. You might be.
Oh, I don't know. We'll give it a go. 3 more hours of drinking. Woohoo! Okay, this video's got a bit south. Oh, shit. For fuck's sake, we've done it again, right? I ordered food. She ordered something called a Gaylord platter. What's it called?
Gyros.
Gyros. Look how much she's got. She's got this massive kebab and all this
Make your
food.
own kebab, basically.
I ordered the chip shop platter, right? Which, and it said it had all this stuff. It was loads. Look like 3 little finger foods going on. What the fuck, man? Why is everything I ordered tiny?
So, we seem to be a man down.
One hour later.
Okay, I had a little nap. Katherine woke me up. We'll be back out on the beers again, and we got Throbbing Williams. There's a tribute bloke over there. It's going to be his name's Robin Williams or Robbing Williams or something. Anyway, I'm calling him Throbbing Williams, and so I can't really film it. It's copyright, but you'll see us in a minute when we're really drunk. So who cares? I'm back in the cozy caravan, watching Family Guy. Bedtime. Night all. It is now Sunday morning, and we're just going to hook up and go home. Right, quick review on the weekend, just for people that want to watch this video to see if they want to come here. Really, this is not for my regular car-related fans. Yeah, if you want to come to a quiet place, the clubhouse is all right, the beach is all right. It's cheap, but it's not bad. It's not actually that bad. But yeah, it's not a place to come to party. It's a place to come if you're old, I suppose. But yeah, it's all right. It's, you know, it's you definitely get your money's worth anyway. Anyway, peeps, I hope you enjoyed this boring ass video. See you in the next one. Back to car-related stuff next week.